Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat we have available. This is a 2024 Aviara AV36. Let's take a look. Starting off with the transom on Aviara's AV36, this boat is powered by triple 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. These are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines with joystick. Great performance on this boat. This boat planes very quickly and it reaches speeds well over 50 miles per hour. You do have the top cowling service door, so you can check or add your oil or remove the cowling with a single lever here, all very easy and conveniently to do so. A lot of real estate here back of the transom. We have the Seadek foam flooring throughout the boat, so you have nice added comfort on your feet. Really nice sun pad area, great for lounging. You also have storage beneath each of these seats. You've got a freshwater fill, freshwater sprayer, and a connection for your outboard flushing system, so you can flush all three engines with a single hose. The space is drained, so you can also store wet lines and things like that. Here you have the boat's battery switches and connection to shore power. On either side, we have a total of 6 cup holders and a stereo remote as well. We can also do an aft sunshade, which we'll show you coming out of the hardtop. This is a really unique seating arrangement here. We have these bar stools that raise, and then each of these backrests come up to form stadium style seating. So you can seat 3 couples very comfortably without everybody being stacked on top of each other. And here you have a nice elevated perspective of the water, especially if the kids are swimming around. You can keep a close eye on them as well. As you enter the boat, we have dedicated fender storage. We have a billet aluminum block-off door for the cockpit, keeping smaller dogs or children safely inside. 2 steps down, entering the cockpit, here we have a trash receptacle, 3 more cup holders, a really large wet bar summer kitchen area, storage beneath, Kenyan electric grill, freshwater sink, and bottle storage, along with dual refrigerators with freezer. Here we have a slide-out cooler box where you can set a cooler in place here. And then if you just want to use this as a serving area, you have a ton of space to do so. Here over on the port side, we've got an L-shaped seating arrangement with storage beneath all of these seats. You can see we have a nice teak table that's on a J-shaped leg that stows away beneath these seats as well. So really comfortable cockpit seating here. You can seat a bunch of people here comfortably, easily 6, 7, or 8 folks. And like I said, you've got great storage beneath. These port side seats, this is all continuous storage, so longer items like table legs or shade kits can go here and can be easily removed. We have more cup holders along the port side, 7 in total, along with induction style phone chargers. You'll notice we have integrated speakers throughout the boat. This is a Klipsch sound system, so the speakers tie in really nicely. Here we have more storage and then access to a trash receptacle that you have via this billet aluminum door, so you don't have to displace a passenger to throw away an empty drink. This bolster flips to face forward or aft, so in the aft position you've got a really comfortable lounger. You'll notice that all of the seating is molded and sculpted and contoured, so very comfortable in the gray upholstery. Big oversized hardtop. We do have a extended aft powered shade that goes all the way aft and also has 2 stanchions for support so that you can have the shade deployed while you're up and running. So here at the helm on Aviara's AV36, double wide helm seat with bolsters that work independently of each other. So if the driver wants to lean while the passenger sits, you can do so very comfortably. There's also a heavy duty fold down platform on a magnetic catch. So if you've got kids or shorter ladies driving, they want to sit but have their feet touch the ground, we got some an elevated platform here as well. Really well appointed helm on this boat. Triple screens, big Simrad center screen for your chart plotter, sonar, everything you need here. A smaller screen on the starboard side designated for your engine data. And then you have a boat screen for things like lights, pumps, features such as the shade, the engine compartment is a powered hatch, the sound system, you can control all of that via this screen here. We have digital throttle and shift, of course, with those Mercury Verados. Active trim comes standard with that binnacle. We have a glove box with charging ports here, induction style phone charger right next to the dash, auto trim tabs from Lenco. We have cooled cup holders here, which do a great job of keeping your cans or bottles cold. And then of course we have Mercury's Joystick, which includes the Skyhook and autopilot features. High-end wrapped steering wheel that is on a tilt base, Italian steering wheel. Cup holders here, big console, big windshield wiper, great visibility on this boat. It's on plane very quickly and all under the shade of a oversized hardtop. So coming up to the bow, we do have a billet aluminum block-off door here, along with the heavy-duty windshield, so we can separate the cockpit and its passengers from the wind on those colder running days. Coming up forward, great bow seating space up here, very comfortable, plenty of seating, nice high bolsters, good back support. We have cup holders, speakers, charging ports throughout, and a stereo remote on the port side. Beneath this bow filler cushion is another teak table, so we can convert that to a cocktail table on a higher leg. Billet aluminum grab rails here for safety that are at a comfortable angle for your arm and your shoulder. Beneath this hatch here is our anchor locker, remote controlled up here in addition to the controls you have back at the helm. Also includes a wash down and a hand tool. And then you can access that anchor line very easily beneath this cushion should you need to clean the line or untangle anything, things of that nature. It's coming down to the cabin, big oversized cabin door that is on a magnetic catch to hold it open. Stepping down here, got good headroom. We've got a nice head area here with a shower, porcelain toilet, synthetic floor, and mirror. Here we have the bed in the down position. So we have a filler cushion here that sits on a table. That backrest ratchets upright. This is an air-conditioned space with AC controls and our distribution panel behind this cabinetry. We also have a television, sound bar, and a microwave. This is a great space if you need to get the kids down for an afternoon nap to extend your boating day. If you wanted to do an overnight here, you could certainly do that as well. And it's also a great space for storage. That's a walkthrough of our AV36 from Aviara. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.